Nurtured amidst nature, our sprawling campus stands as a testament to 25-year journey of educational triumph. Equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, we provide a nurturing environment that sparks curiosity and enthusiasm for learning in every student. Our esteemed faculty, comprising dedicated educators, mentors, and guides, instills not only academic excellence but also fosters all-round personal development. Here, students are encouraged to explore their interests, pursue their dreams, and surpass their potential. Join us at Malpi International School, where academic distinction and holistic growth converge to shape the leaders of tomorrow. Malpi International School. Inquire, endeavor, excel.